Okay, y'all. Really happy right now. Hey, I've got air coming out where it's supposed to come out now. Yeah, there's air coming out of the vents now. It's amazing. It is amazing. Okay, let me show you what it is. Okay, here we go. I'm a little excited about this, if you can't tell. All right, this line right here, I've got my fingers on. Yep, okay. And as you can see, I pulled it out. This is the line that was supplying vacuum from the engine. Okay, so what I did was I took that line that I showed you earlier in the previous video. Here's the end of it. I just put a rubber hose on it, cut that line, right there it is, okay? And it goes up here and supplies vacuum to the switch unit right up here, okay? As you can see, look at my vacuum pod now. It's great. It is so good. Oh man, here, let me switch it. Okay. Well, don't switch it off. This temperature, I don't know. Yeah, see how it's moving there? So, ain't that awesome? Oh, I just love it. It is so great. Oh man. Okay. I'm going to shorten this hose up though. Yeah, I'm going to shorten this hose up and then reconnect it, and it'll all be great. And then of course I'm going to put my panel back on. I've already got the dash bolted back in. So I've got to fix something on the up here, that goes in here. This part goes in there, and I've got to make mounts so that it can go in there. But I think while I've got it out, I'm going to open up these holes here so that a larger mug or something can sit down in here, because right now all of my mugs and everything I drink out of basically won't fit in there. So, all right, hey, this has been great. I hope you picked something up and learned something from all of this. So I thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this or anything else, let me know in the comment section down below. And I do thank you, especially for all the likes and the shares and the subscribes. But yeah, just thank you so much. So God bless. Have a great one.